The YXDCP1618 automatic digital cup printer is specially developed and produced by Yuxunda for personalized printing of disposable finished cups. It is suitable for personalized printing of paper cups, PET, PP, and other material cups. When it is working, the cups can be loaded and unloaded automatically without too much manual intervention, and it has a counting function. The YXDCP1618 automatic digital cup printer is equipped with Ricoh G5i UV print head, supports CMYK+W multicolor printing, and can print the original image no matter how complex the color pattern is. It is especially suitable for personalized printing business, such as special customized for a company or a fashion event.